Okay, hello guys and welcome to today's video. Now in today's video we are going to be learning about the number system. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so the number system. So the number system is basically the major scale in the very simplified form. So let's go over C major scale again to try and help you understand what the number system is. So with C, remember as we were learning about major scale that each major scale has 7 notes. So what the number system does is, instead of giving each note a name, we assign each note to a number. Okay, so when we're learning C, right, so we said that C major scale was C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then back to C. Okay, so if we're to use a number system, the 1 is going to be C. So with whatever major scale you are working with, so if it's C major scale, D major scale, C sharp major scale, that major scale you are working with occupies the 1. Then the following notes up until the 7th note is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we're using C, so C is going to be 1, D is going to be 2, E is going to be 3, F is going to be 4, G is going to be 5, A is going to be 6, B is going to be 7, and then we have 1 again. So that's basically the number system. But the thing is, why is the number system important? So when it comes to learning a song, right? So let's say we learn a song in the key of C sharp. Let's use C sharp. So let's say in C sharp, this is how the song goes. So it goes like this. So if that's the song we have in C sharp, but we want to play it in C, the problem we have is we know how to play it in C sharp, but what can we use to help us or assist us to learn the song in C? That's where the number system comes in. So with the different chords I played, right, for C sharp, if we were to give numbers to them, then in any key we want to play that same phrase or that same song, we can play it and it will sound exactly the same. So what I just played was what? In C sharp, I played the C sharp major chord. So this was the 1. Then I played the G sharp or A flat, which was the 5. Then I played the A sharp minor. And then I played the F sharp major. Or because I haven't taught you guys chords there, you may not understand, but it will all make sense in the next video. So if we're just gonna play with just the notes alone, so what I did was C sharp, G sharp, A sharp, F sharp. So with those notes, what did they correspond to if we're going to use a number system for C sharp? So it corresponds to 1, G sharp is the 5, A sharp is the 6, and then F sharp is the 4. So now that we know that what I played was 1, 5, 6, 4, so now let's play it in C. So if I play it in C, then it should sound the same, right? So let's give it a try. So 1, 5, 6, 4. So that's it. So that's the main reason why it's important to learn number system. So it's easy to transpose songs between different keys. So if I were to use the chords, the same kind of chords I used before, this is what we'll get. So that's a very important reason why we use number system. Another reason why we use number system is like if we're in a musical setting, be it church or on a stage somewhere, wherever you may be. You see, it's a lot easier to call out, well, for me, I find that it's a lot easier to call out numbers if you're trying to, make improvements to the song, to, spice it up, jazz it up in a live setting. It's a lot easier to call out numbers that, instead of playing the 6, play like a 5 or something like that. It's a lot easier to call out numbers, because for me, if someone was to say, play F sharp instead of A, I have to think of where F sharp is now. But whenever I hear numbers, I know where I'm going to straight away. So working with numbers is a lot easier, because it's easy for you to transpose whatever you're doing to another key. So that's why it's important to learn the number system. So now in the next video, we're going to be learning the basic chords. Now with these basic chords, I'm going to be using the number system to teach you. I've made a PowerPoint for this number system, so make sure you go and check it out, learn it, so that the next lesson is going to be very easy for you to digest. See you in the next one.